Alright, so in this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can join PlayStation Stars, and there are two ways. The first one is going to be so simple. You're going to have to start the PlayStation app on your Android or iOS, and if you're someone living in the Asia, you will get this pop-up screen as soon as you open the app. And once you have done that, it will give you this extra option beside your profile. That's going to be the PlayStation Star icon. Once you have clicked on that, it will give you the introduction screen. You're going to have to click next, or you can just click on sign up. And what exactly PlayStation Star is, I will show you after this, in the second method, how to join PlayStation Stars. So as you can see, I've got some terms and conditions. All you want to do once you have this is simply accept that, and it will also ask you a few times. You click continue, and then once you have done all of this process, you will get the PlayStation Star menu on your profile, beside your profile. So as you can see, I'm level 1 at the moment, and how you can use PlayStation Star is you can earn points by completing tasks, and you can also earn real wallet fund of your PlayStation account. So now let's get into the second method, how you can join PlayStation Stars. So this one is actually going to be kind of a complicated one, and you might also get some information. So go to playstation.com, log in into your account, and when you go all the way down on PlayStation blog, you're going to see the PlayStation Star on that. So once you click on that, you will get all the information. Like I said, you're going to get all the information. As you can see, it's going to give you all the answers, and you can see here as well where you have the PlayStation Stars. Right now it's only available for Asian countries, so for me, I got it. And for other continent, you see it's all written there, and you're gonna have to go to PlayStation Star, and you will get the option to sign up if it's available in your country. So currently it's available in Asian continent, and in Japan it is 100% available. If you make a Japan account, you will get it 100%. So if you want to try the PlayStation Star early, you're going to have to simply make a Japan account and then simply get the PlayStation Stars from that, and that's it. So this is how you can get PlayStation Star. This is how you join PlayStation Star for your PlayStation account. So I hope you guys find this video helpful, and I will catch you guys on the next one. Peace out.